yes, guys.
They're delicious.
That looks great. All right, now we're gonna need one more tool for our and as you're tearing them, let's take them over there to the salad bowl, okay?
I'll be fine.
I'm ready.
So, the rubber bands are yummy.
Ray, I got it figured out. Let's go. Let's go, Anita.
Stay locked in. I'm gonna cut them in half, cut them on, and then put out. But since it was freshly picked, we're gonna cut it right here.
Sit down.
Okay, you. Oh God.
Wait, Justin, you do just do a backflip.
And the right wing, and the left leg, and the right leg.
100% airflow, which means they're getting the maximum amount of.
Oh, plate.
Not right yet.
Potato soup is way better than I thought it was gonna be. Really.
Andy, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You rolled it.